A number n is inserted into the list 2, 6, 7, 7, 28. The mean of the new 6-number list is now twice as great as the median. What is n? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. After inserting n, the list has 6 numbers. The mean is the sum of all 6. Divided by 6. The sum of the original 5 numbers is 50. So the mean is 50 plus n. All divided by 6. The median of 6 numbers is the average of the third and fourth values once the list is sorted. Let's test the largest choice. N equals 34. Putting 34 into the list and sorting gives 2, 6, 7, 7, 28, 34. The two middle values are 7 and 7. So the median is 7 plus 7 over 2, which is 7. Now the mean, 50 plus 34 is 84, and 84 divided by 6 is 14. Check the condition. 14 equals 2 times 7. The mean is exactly twice the median. So n equals 34. N is 34.